First, a shout out to my first 2 YouTube channel subscribers, Demonte and Chris. The first thing I did is looked at this unit circle and went ahead and labeled all of the degrees all the way around before I start. For A, it gives us a radius of 3 and an angle of 30. So I'm going to go over, I find 30 degrees, it's here. I'm going to start at the center and I'm going to count toward 30 degrees 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. So here's point A. For point B, the angle is 240. So here's 240. And on 240, I'm going to count 5 bands out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here is point B. For C, I've got 135 as my angle. That's here. And I'm going to count 1 band out. So here is point C. Now we get to number 4. D is a little bit more complicated. I want to go negative 60 degrees. Here's 60. That was 1, 2, 3, 4 lines up. So I'm going to go 4 lines down. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is negative 60 degrees. And along negative 60 degrees, I'm going 2. So here is point D. For point E, 45 degrees. However, I need to go negative 2. So I need to go back negative 2. 1, 2. So I'm going backwards negative 2. Here's point E. For F, I'm going to 300 degrees, which is here, but I'm going backwards 4. Actually going toward 120. 1, 2, 4. So here is F. For G, I need to go to negative 45 degrees. Positive 45 degrees is 1, 2, 3 lines up. So I'm going to go 3 lines down. So here's negative 45 degrees. But the next question is, if I'm going negative 45, I've got to go negative 5. So I'm actually going backwards from negative 45. Going to 135. And on the 5th band. That's point G. Point H, 0 degrees. I'm going negative 2. So I'm going backwards from 0. So here is H. And our last one, my favorite one, I'm going 0. Here's I. Doesn't matter what the angle is, I'm going 0, so it's right at the pole.